Hi po, Daddy. Good evening
Good
po.
evening.
Your beard is growing back.
Good evening.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, Daddy. Okay. See, Daddy. He's going back to work soon. Okay, mga ka-twin bell. Sorry for my voice. I lost it kasi wala ako. Kaya ito nangyari sa akin. Eh. Okay, ito na po yung swimming pool namin. It look better. Kasi makikita mo na yung deep. Diba? Yan. Tapos, pabalik na si Habis. He's going back to work Thursday. So, we have, come on, dog. Come on. We have a new, McKenna. Pablo, come on. We have a pool people. We hired poor people to maintain because I can't maintain my husband go back to work. Why you block me? I almost felt crazy, dogs. So ayan, no. So when my husband gone back to work, we have people to clean up our pool because my son don't wanna clean up. My son don't wanna do it. So okay, actually, pakonti-konti lang. So yung mga gumawa hindi naman binalik tong malapad na, ayaw ko, shin guard. Tapos yun, ayan na. Ito yung napala ko kasi I scream a lot when I was in casino because they cheat on me. They cheat on me. The machine cheat on me. I just put money and then the money gone. Even then, I didn't start the game yet. So I got so mad. And then I kicked the chair and then I screamed because I want to fight for the right. But it's not worth it. So I leave. So I left me and my husband go back home because I believe the old game machine is cheated or cheater. I'm sorry for my voice. Anyway, malapit na po. Paunti-unti lang yung ano namin sa bahay. Marami pang gagawin. This one is broke. So, we're planning to put a bamboos here. Bamboo wood. So, it will be nicer in here inside the patio. And then, need to put bamboo there too. And we remove the ceiling fan. Because it's old. So anyway, my cat following me. My cat will follow me. Come on, McKenna. Come here, McKenna. Hurry up, McKenna. Polly, hurry up. So she wanna come and sit. So I spend some time every night, same routine. So after the dog, and then the birds. After I spend some time with them, McKenna, my cat. Her name is McKenna. She she want to kiss. She want to kiss. She want to kiss. She always want to kiss. And hug. She want to hug. Yeah, she's so sweet. Okay, anyway. Ang sakit talaga ng lalamunan ko. Nawala talaga yung boses ko. Because like I said, I screamed a lot because I was so dang mad. After, I was like, they're trying to insist that I got accident by hitting. Dang, what you doing?
Carrying the trash out.
But not. Look, because if I did, and then it'll show up. Alright, I'll show up the machine move, but the machine didn't running at all, didn't move at all. So how come they say I accidentally hit by my elbow if I didn't see any move by the screen of the machines? I was just like, they're cheaters, so I got so mad. But anyway, okay, it's only a short update about our swimming pool that looks a lot better. So, have a good night, everyone. Thank you, mga ka-Twin Bell. And hoy, sa mga nagsasabi nga pala na manicurista lang ako dito. At least sa sarili kong shop at saka may sarili kong business. Hindi katulad mo. Puro budol na lang ang ginagawa. Puro paawa at umaasa sa palipad. Ganun na lang. At least ako manicurista. Okay lang. At meron pa akong tubigan sa Pinas. Baka ipalunod kita dyan. Okay, one day I will go live. I'll go live one day. Okay. And I will rest back you. Thank you. Bye-bye.